it's Lisa back with a layout for YouTube summer scrapping with Audrey Yeager. So I will link her channel down below, and if you want to see what she came up with today for her summer scrapping series, check out her channel and her videos, and then you will also be able to see the other participants. Um, I created this layout some time ago and I never had the chance to share it. So I thought since it was summer scrapping that it would be a very good idea to share it now. It's one of my most favorite layouts that I've done for a long time, so I hope you like it too. I started by using some gelatos and like some of colors that I really liked. I put some on packaging, plastic packaging, and then I added a drop of gesso on top to make them more like acrylics, like acrylic colors, and also to be able to have more, to make them more um, not so see-through. How do you say that? Like more opaque. Yeah, that's the word that I was looking for. More opaque and more, yeah, that you could really see them on the paper. So I wanted to have very straight stripes. So I took this white brush and I used my ruler, a T-square ruler to create the stripes and to have them very straight and aligned, and yeah. I like the colors that I used a lot, and I think it's not a rainbow order, but I really like the layout of the colors and how I put them, and yeah. On top, I wanted to have some white stars, and I'm using a stencil and some, I think it must be gesso or acrylic paint. The stars weren't really um, uh, like popping from the page, so I decided to use a white Posca pen and to just outline the stars to make them pop more and to make them stand out. And then, as you can see the stars a lot better now. I added some with my pen in some spots that I thought, yeah, they looked good. At the end, you will not be able to see as many stars anymore, of course, but yeah. I wanted to make a layout with flamingos, so I checked a very cute flamingo on Pinterest, and yeah, and then I drew it, and yeah, I hand drew my little flamingo, and I hand draw a lot of my cute animals, and I always look for inspiration on Pinterest and stuff, and yeah, I like when they're super cute and they have like those super cute faces. So yeah, I am drawing as you can see, and then I use this flamingo as a guide to make a second one. I wanted to have two, and yeah, there they are. Then I am using white paper for the beaks, and I will add some black because the beaks are not white. Yeah, I don't really know. I'm very like, I'm super like, I have a very funny mood today. I don't know what's happening. I'm not like very tired, but I'm not really fit, so I don't know what's happening. But I thought I would make this voiceover nonetheless, so yeah, I hope it's not too boring. Yeah, as you can see, I'm drawing on the white beaks, so, and I'm using a paper made flare in black. And I drew a lot of details on these flamingos. I like to do that to add details and not like I don't like it when the little creatures that I create are really flat and have no dimension and no details. So I really like to add um, to outline or to create some shadows and some highlights and stuff. So yeah, I think that I used some gelatos with my finger there to draw the or to paint the cheeks, and then I'm using a gray Erin Condren pen to add some gray details and some shadows and stuff. So and to outline the whole thing. I really like to do that. It's just it changed so much. It's giving the whole thing so much detail and yeah, makes the whole thing stand out a lot more. So adding some shadows and some highlights with my Posca pen. And I will add more later when you see the finished thing. Sorry, you can see that I added more, even more shadows. I'm adding the wings of the flamingo with a more bright pink and adhering them, and then drawing all of my details. And there I come back with the pen to add the details and the shadows. As you can see now, I think I used some black for the shadows too because I wanted them to stand out more. So yeah. Okay, some more highlights, and then I adhered the oh oh that's my cat. I don't know if you can hear her. Oh yeah, I added some bows. Yeah, sorry. I added some bows with paper and some tulle. She's talking to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Adding some bows, and you know I like to use to add bows to my cute animals. I think it makes them look even cuter. And then I will stitch the flamingos and add the legs. I will adhere them on white paper and then pierce the holes around and then stitch with matching embroidery thread. And yeah, here I'm adding the legs with with black paper, of course. I'm adding different legs, so the one is standing with two legs straight, and this one is holding one leg up. And I added okay, this little thing that I'm drawing right now. I don't know the word in English, but I drew them because it was easier to have them more detailed and small because they were so small and stuff. I didn't want to cut them. So I just drew them, and on the final layout you won't even be able to see the difference of the things that I cut and the things that I drew. So yeah, as I told you, I stitched around the whole thing, and I really love how that turned out with the bow and everything. Then I am matting my photo, and as you can see I have all those flowers and leaves on the left that I cut out from a paper from the pink paisley um, confetti wishes. I think it's confetti wishes collection. And I'm adding my photo on some papers from Pink Paisley and from Simple Stories, I think. Yeah. Not sure. Then I am checking out how I want to place everything, and yeah, there I go. I am satisfied. Then I place all of my flowers to see how I want them to be and look. And as soon as I was placing the flowers on the paper, I was like, okay, this will look so good. I love the colors, I love the style, I love the flowers, I love the white flowers, I love like everything off. I love this layout. I was just like, okay, this is turning out so good. And I was really, really happy with the final result of the layout. So yeah, there I thought, okay, I need more white flowers and I need another green leaf. So I cut those out, and I really love the white flower on the flamingo's head. It makes him look so like he's wearing a super cute like hat or something. This super cute accessory on its head. The white flowers, like they, I don't know, it's just the detail that makes everything look so good. And then here I'm just cutting out the color, like the holes of the leaves. They were the colors of the background of the paper pattern paper sheet was showing through, so I didn't want that, and I cut those out so that you would really see the holes. And I also cut out exactly the same, like here there are holes and you can see the background paper, and I didn't want that, so I cut everything out with my cutter or my X-Acto knife. So yeah, that makes everything look very good. The flamingo is just so cute with like it looks like, you know, a feather, like in the 20s when they had these embellishments in their on their heads, like the cute little feathers and stuff. It looks like that. And then I used a few different stickers in gold to write my title, and I'm writing Beach Days. Like very, very, very cool title. No, it's not. But I'm really not the best at choosing titles. I'm sorry. It's very generic and it's very, very, um, yeah, boring. But yeah, at least it looks good. So yeah. So those were three different gold stickers. And on this sticker sheet, there were a lot of dots. So I thought, why not use them as little cute accents on my page to come back with the gold. And yeah, that looks very good, I think. Then I was not sure with the title, of course, and I changed up a little bit. I placed it a little bit more down. Yeah, I don't like to have a straight, like the things that I put on my page creating this straight line. So yeah, and the head of the flamingo and the title were creating this line, and I didn't really like that, so I placed it a little bit more um, yeah, on this in the center of the page, not really the center but more in that direction. And then I use some enamel dots. I think they are from Alton New. um, yeah, just placing some enamel dots on the flowers and on the sides and all around. Yeah, and just using some Heidi Swap Color Shine in Gold to finish this layout. I'm so sorry for my voiceover this time. I hope it was not bothering too much. Next time, if I'm bothering you with my talking, just yeah, mute the video if it's better for you. I totally understand. Yeah, so putting some Heidi Swap, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Check out Audrey's channel. Thank you, Audrey, for letting me participate again. And yeah, have a great rest of the summer and see you very, very soon. Thank you. Bye bye.